Hey everyone! Today we are going to show you how to unlock the full potential of your LifeFitness Discover SE3 console by explaining some of the features in the System Options menu. First, open the Language menu in the lower right quadrant of the screen. Next, tap the lower left and lower right corners of the menu window as shown to open the System Options menu. Let's get connected to Wi-Fi. Tap Configuration, then Wireless Connectivity. From here, you can scan for your Wi-Fi router, enter the password to connect, and then ensure that it is connected before moving to the next step. Let's make sure the date and time are set correctly. Tap the Date and Time menu and ensure that the date, time, and time zone are all correctly configured. Now that the console is connected to Wi-Fi and the system date and time are correctly set, let's perform a system update. Click Software Updates and make sure your current system has been updated to the latest operating system and application package versions. Please be advised that by the time you're watching this video, you will have a newer software version than displayed on this console. Just know that you want these numbers to match. Depending on how many updates are needed, the system might reset a few times. This can take up to an hour or so be patient. This is completely normal. Now let's explain how to enable and disable specific features within your console. Tap the Managers menu. I'm going to explain a few of the most asked for features, but for a full list, please consult your owner's manual. Here, you can set a maximum and minimum speed as well as incline. Want to run for longer than an hour? You can set a maximum workout duration to your liking. Pause time is the amount of time the machine will allow before clearing back to the main menu when the user pauses a workout. Program timeout is the amount of time ranging from 0 to 255 seconds that a user can go without touching the LCD screen during the workout setup before the unit returns to the home screen. The inactivity timer is basically the amount of time before the system goes into sleep mode. You can enable or disable system beeps by turning system sounds on or off. Marathon mode allows the user to work out indefinitely without the machine stopping. And telemetry allows your unit to connect to a polar heart strap for heart rate-based workouts. The last two features I'm going to explain are possibly the most asked for. Looking for video training like Peloton or NordicTrack provide? This console has that built in for free by enabling the LifeFitness On-Demand switch. Lastly, if you are a lighter user or find that the treadmill randomly shuts off, the treadmill may not be able to detect that the user is on the deck. To disable this sensor and allow the unit to run regardless, disable the stride sensor. The last menu I will touch upon is the TV menu. Setting up a TV can be a lengthy and touchy process because of all the different options for cable companies, etc. I'm not going to explain how to hook it up and configure it in this video, but if that's something that interests you, please leave a comment in the section below and I'll make a separate video tutorial showing you how to do that. Once you are done configuring everything, click the X in the upper right-hand corner to reboot the console to the main menu. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in other fitness equipment tutorials, products, etc., please be sure to subscribe. And to stay notified when new videos are released, please be sure to click that bell icon.